Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both Google Cloud and your PC. Create a cloud project and enable the Google Assistant API so your PC can authenticate. Once done, make an OAuth 2, zero client ID for a desktop app, and download the JSON credentials to a known folder. Next, make sure Python 3, 7 or newer and pip are installed on the machine. Open a terminal with admin privileges to run the installer commands. This gets you ready for the SDK and authentication step. Now install the Assistant SDK and samples using pip so you have the runtime and example code. After installation, use the Google OAuth libtool with your downloaded client secret JSON to open the browser and authorize your Google account. Copy the returned code into the terminal. Once you authorize, save the resulting credentials in the recommended config path so the SDK can reuse them. Make sure to match the OAuth client type to desktop. This avoids redirect errors and keeps the flow seamless. Finish by running the sample Assistant demo or your custom Python script to launch Google Assistant on the PC. When prompted, allow microphone and speaker permissions and test with a hot word or push-to-talk key. Adjust input/output device names if audio is garbled. If it fails, verify the OAuth JSON path, confirm the Google Assistant API is enabled in Cloud Console, and reinstall dependencies to resolve version mismatches. If you still see authentication or audio errors, restart the terminal and rerun the OAuth tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.